Hello friends, I'm myself Sumit Pukharna. We will talk about the oil and gas sector. The government, as we all know, that crude oil prices are currently trading at $127 per barrel, which is significantly high and leading to higher under recoveries for the oil marketing companies, which lead to higher subsidy burden for the government. Now, biggest concern in the fiscal budget will be rising under recoveries or the subsidy burden. We believe that government will take lot of actions in the oil and gas space, but part of it will be in the budget and part will be post that. Coming to the budget specifics, government will increase the excise duty from 10 to 12%, which will lead to higher diesel prices and increasing the revenue for the government. This is also expected that the government will increase excise duty or impose additional excise duty on diesel vehicles, which will lower the consumption of diesel. Just to highlight that currently out of the total under recovery, 54% of the under recovery is because of diesel, and with the wide spread between the petrol and diesel prices, the consumption of diesel has gone up. Coming to another expectation from the budget will be extension of tax benefit to the new or grassroots refineries, and the extension will be from March 2012 to March 2017. This is because many refineries could not able to complete because of uncontrollable reasons. Hence, we expect that this can be the time frame can be extended.